Hi Cherries, how are you? Thank you for joining me again. If you're new here, hey, I'm Kim. Welcome to the Cheríe. We're getting right into today's video with the premiere of my first series here on my channel, the Apartment Transformation series. Ooh. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Everything will be linked down below for you. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment before leaving. Okay, later. See you next week. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is some of this stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. So I got this pack of 2 baskets. It's supposed bonus includes extra basket. It doesn't, by the way. There's only 2 in here. I got 2 of these baskets. I'm thinking these are gonna go under the sink. I got a bunch of these jars. I got these bowls, these glass bowls that have like these plastic lids. I think these would be perfect for like small salads, like side salads. I got these like little drawers. I got these other stackable organizational drawers. Some clear push pins. These are some extras from the basket. I got these magnetic clips and I got these self-adhesive hooks. These are just the, what are these called? It's the contact paper that I bought for the shelves and stuff. Oh, also got these things. They're supposed to be like silverware holders, right? I think, yeah. Yeah, drawer organizer, something like that. So I got 3 of these. I'll probably end up going back to Dollar Tree or something when I figure out that I'm gonna need more bins and stuff. I just didn't want to get too much and have things left over. So I also got these serving spoons because I didn't have any serving spoons, and I got this. All of these things need to be washed. They all need to be washed. Obviously these need to be washed. These are just gonna be holding certain foods. Anyways, it all needs to be washed. I just wanted to show you what I got before I started filling them with items. Here are all of my goodies. This is all of the like pantry stuff that will be going in the pantry. Different foods, rices, canned goods, soups, all that good stuff. So I have 1 more of those, and it's going to be for the flour, but the flour I left downstairs. So I'm going to throw these out and put those in the pantry. Okay, so for the smaller little like plastic containers, I'm going to put white rice and brown rice in them. I'm not going to label them because it's pretty obvious what kind of rices those are, and I don't really eat any other rice except for like yellow rice, and it's in its own box. So I'm just going to fill these up.
guys, I know I look really crazy. Process of moving and stuff, it's gonna happen. The lighting's super bad in here, but I just wanted to show you something real quick. So when I got into the apartment, this was hanging right over here above the refrigerator, and I love this concept. I love this idea. Basically, it's like a fruit vegetable basket hanger kind of thing, or maybe that's what I'm just thinking about using it for. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. I didn't want to use it just because it's rusty. It just looks old. It's just ready to be thrown in the garbage or saved for someone who wants it. Instead, put that one on the floor. I did a DIY one. But, so this is what I did. I just got 2 baskets from Dollar Tree. These hooks are, shower curtain hooks are from Family Dollar, and these binder clip hooks are from Dollar Tree. So I am gonna get maybe 1 or 2 more packs of the ones from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna add a third connector here, and then obviously the 2 up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right up there, right where the old one was. All right, I'm super short, so I have a step stool. So yeah, that was my DIY basket hanging thingamabobber that you can use for your fruits and vegetables. Okay, so I'm gonna use these little drawers here for the tea. I did label them just for the teas that are open and that I drink a little bit more often. So peppermint, lemon zinger, red zinger, raspberry zinger. So I'm gonna use both of them. And I'm just gonna put the teas in there. So for raspberry zinger, here's the tea. Ooh. To open, I have just regular peppermint tea also, so I'm just gonna open that and put this in there, and then just put the peppermint peak on top. This side, I did have these the other way, but then the door wouldn't close, so I just put them like this. This one is labeled because it does have peaches and mandarins in it, so the mandarins are in the back, peaches are here, and there's another peach here. These are Granny Smith applesauce, and these are just the regular applesauces. I might just put something in here just to fill up that space, but for now, that's what we've got in here. Okay guys, so I finished the pantry. This is how she looks. I'm gonna just like quickly go through how I did this. So I have my fruit cups down here still. There was like this little spot open, so I put the onion dip and the taco mix in there. These are my breakfast oatmeals. So the original is the red packet, and then the brown sugar and maple and brown sugar is just the regular brown pack. the 3 containers. We have my protein powder, sugar, and flour. The flour is still downstairs, I have to fill it up. This little container, I just put all the extra little loose teas that I had. We have popcorn here. Back here in this corner, we have coffee. I don't really drink it as much, that's why I put it back here in this little corner over here. So coffees. Okay, let me get my step stool here. Second shelf, so I put this here because I'm actually gonna put a list here of all the things that I have in here, since it's not super spaced out that I can see things, so I did stack things in front of each other. So back here I have my baking stuff. I don't bake as much as I cook, so that's why the baking stuff is back here. Then I put the rice in the containers. So here's the brown rice, here's the white rice, here's the yellow rice back here. I put the rotini, the elbow macaroni, the penne, pastas over here. There's mac and cheese back here. I make my own homemade baked mac and cheese, so I don't really use these, but I did get them from the pantry, so I'm gonna keep them. You never know, I might be really exhausted one day and might just wanna cook it up real fast. I put all the beans and everything that goes with the beans here. Okay, so up here on the 3rd shelf, back there are just some extras that I have. So extra breadcrumbs, these are extra strawberry preserves. I have like 3 of those. There's a grape back here, and then there's a peanut butter, if you can see, it's like a little small one. Here is some tuna. Next, we have all the salad dressings and different dressings, and this is a marinade here. That's why I put it up top, so I know that it's actually here. Then I have corn in this aisle. This aisle is veggies, so we have mixed veggies, green beans, and what's that? Sweet peas. Next, we have all the fruits, and we have ravioli, chef boyardee, all the soups. So we have chicken noodle soup, classic chicken noodle soup, another one, and then there's 2 vegetable soups right next to it in the can. I have my little pack of Ensure. There's actually one in the fridge right now I'm gonna go eat. Tomato sauce, I put the Ritz back there, and then here are my croutons. Back in this corner are the extra spices, just like in their original packaging, just especially for the ones that I didn't get to fit in the new packaging that I put it in. So here's the pantry. We're good. Okay, hey guys, I just finished cleaning. I didn't really show that part because obviously I'm sure you guys know how to clean and stuff. So I'm in the kitchen now working a little bit. The sun is starting to go down. I'm getting really tired. I've been doing this all day. But before I finish for today, I wanted to show you this. Ooh. So I got these off of Amazon. I'll link them down below. You can put them on with these like sticky things, or you can put them in with screws. So with the sticky things, you can only put stuff on here that weighs up to 10 pounds. If you screw the shelves in with the screws, it'll take between 10 and 20 pounds. So without screwing them in, just using these little sticky things, they're so cute. Hold on. I think they're so cute. They're these little sticky things. They come in a little pack, and they have like plants on them, and they just stick to the wall. Super easy. You take off the back, stick it. It's good. So I did that. They're all stuck up there. All looks good and nice. We're not gonna talk about the bonnets, okay? Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the spices up there. So these are how they came out. I will insert a clip of me filling them up. Alright, so let me put these up here. Okay guys, the spices are up there on the rack. I did kind of arrange them in a certain way. So the top shelf is really the spices I use the most. The chili powder I don't really use, but I just figured I'd put it up there anyways until I get what I really use on like a daily basis. So I just did it so it was aesthetically pleasing to my eyes. You guys can arrange it however you want to if you decide to do something like this. So yeah. Woo. Hey guys, okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do in the kitchen, this is such like a weird angle. You're on like the side table and I'm like in the kitchen, like I can disappear right now. Anyways, I just wanted to show you underneath the spice rack is a towel rack. So I have a towel, it's downstairs in my other apartment. And then I put up these sticky hooks. I also got these off of Amazon. They're clear back, they have like a metal like hook. Same thing, peel the back off, stick it on, make sure it's on good, and then you can just start putting stuff up there. So I put 3 here. So what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna put my pans on these hooks, my new pans. Ooh, I got new pans, I'm so excited. They're Rachel Ray. I figured it's time for me to just invest in a really good pot set, so that's what I did. It was on sale and it's orange. All right, so I'm gonna put these up there and then okay guys, so I put them up here. I did do them in size order, so they're kind of just laying on each other. Real quick, I put up 2 more of the clear sticky hooks on both sides of the spice racks. So I put those up because I'm gonna put the other 2 pots that I have right next to them. So let's put the small one over here, and we'll put the larger one over here.